So I laid down my landscape fabric last night with my boyfriend, and this morning it looks like this. And don't mind me here, I am wearing pants. They're just kind of a funny color, so it looks like I'm not. So today I had to go ahead and fix my landscaping fabric so that I could actually plant in it. And this is the first time that I've ever used landscaping fabric, and I'm really excited about it. But first, let's mow around the garden a little bit so I can give my piggies a little treat.
Left the big city for the simple country life. Found myself a woman that it took for me to be my wife. I was working on the ground come the sun up to sundown. Hey, I'm trying to make a reputation for a man inside this town. Hard as I try, maybe I just can't. I ain't no up and kinda leaving me. She kissed me one time and she took my heart. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me. I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, I'm a honky-tonk star. Well, working 3 jobs, living out of a car. Mama never told me life would get this hard. Running around the world playing my guitar. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me. I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, I'm a honky-tonk star.
So you can see here the stakes and the cinder blocks did not hold up very well. I looked it up online and it said that in order for the landscaping stakes to hold, you have to have them like every 5 to 12 inches apart, and obviously we didn't have enough to do that, so I've got landscaping fabric all over the place. And we really wanted to do this because last year it was a battle with the weeds. We don't want to have to be spending the majority of our time gardening pulling weeds. So I will put down in the description box everything that we used for this, like all the landscaping fabric. This is a woven fabric, so the water can get in, but the weeds can't get out. When you lay the garden fabric, you're going to want to make sure that it overlaps. So I'm layering mine with about 6 inches overlap. This is going to prevent weeds from growing in between the rows of fabric, so you won't have weeds that are like sneaking out. I am putting in landscaping stakes, but I don't have a ton of them, so I'm also putting down bricks too, alternating it up to hold it all in place. Tomorrow I'm going to change out some of these bricks with potted plants. I'm going to plant a bunch of things that you really shouldn't put in the ground, like all of my different varieties of mint, and put those around the perimeter of the garden. We love having mint plants, but planting them directly in your soil is a really bad idea because they're going to completely take over if you do that. After I get this all laid out so it doesn't blow away again, I'm going to put the holes in the fabric so that I can actually plant my garden. This isn't going to be in this video, so stay tuned for part 2 tomorrow where I show you how I actually plant into this fabric. You don't want to be using anything that's going to cut the fabric, so you're not going to use scissors or knives or anything like that because it is woven. If you cut it, all it's going to do is unravel over time, and this material will not be able to be used for years and years and years to come because it's not going to last any longer. What you need to do is you're going to need to burn it where you want it to either be cut or where you want holes. That's going to make it so that it melts those edges together and you don't have to worry about it unraveling. Make sure you subscribe and you stick around for part 2 of this video, and then I will also be posting a video of my 3 sisters garden that I'm going to be planting in the front of this, which doesn't have the landscape fabric.